We'll guide you through how to run Python programs in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
For this, first go to your browser and search Python download. Go to the first link. Here, scroll down. Here you can choose the version you want. I am downloading the latest 3.14 version. Click on it. Now here, scroll down again. Here, choose the installer for your system. For me, it is the 64-bit installer. Click on it. Now, after the installer is downloaded, then click on the downloaded file. Here, click on add python.exe to path. Then click on customize installation. Here, click on for all users, then click on next. Now click on install Python 3.14 for all users, then click on install. Now wait for a few minutes while the installation completes. After the installation is complete, click on close. Now search and open command prompt. Here type the following: python space dash dash version. Click enter. Here you can see Python 3.14 is successfully installed. Now to run the Python file, here I will be creating a new Python file. First open the code editor of your choice. Here I'm opening VS Code. Now here click on new file, then click on Python file. Here you can write the code. Here I'm writing a simple code to print hello world. Now save the Python file. On your top left, click file, then click on save, then choose the location to save the file, then give a name to the file and click on save. Now if you open a pre-existing Python file, the steps from here will be similar. Now on the top right, click on the play icon. Here you can see the output of hello world is seen in the terminal. In this way you can successfully run a Python file in your Windows 11.